get him? You want me?
Open up.
There you go. Way to go, Fergie.
Solid fish.
That's 20 incher.
Oh yeah. Solid fish.
Let me take a picture with your phone.
Sure. If you can arrange that, I think it'd take a scuba tank because it's right down there.
There's one.
Need help?
Yeah. I don't think it's a.
Oh, did you break off?
I just retied that and broke at the knot.
Oh.
Oh man. You got him up quick. That's a nice fish. Nice fish.
A little bigger than I thought it was. Solid
There he
fish,
comes.
though.
There he comes. That's like that one you got earlier. There you go. That's a little bigger actually. Maybe.
That's a male too.
Way down here. Thought I knew somebody. Son of a bitch.
There he is. Oh, I lost him. These fish are way high. Let's see if I can get him again. They're still there. Yeah, they're still there. They're coming again. There he is.
White bass, white bass.
Camera rolling?
Yeah, it's rolling. Uh-oh. Could be a good one. Could be a good one.
Fishing Ohio white bass.
No, it's a walleye.
Can't see nothing.
Right there it is.
Is it?
Yeah.
He's all right. Oh, he's not bad, is he?
It's a nice fish.
Yeah, he's good.
Yeah, it's a nice fish. Woo!
Nice.
Hey, landed one.
Wow.
Look at that toad.
Yeah.
That's probably 28,
That's
27,
heavy.
28 inches.
That is a heavy fish. Oh, there you go. Nice, beautiful Lake Erie walleye. There you go. Way to go, John.
Nice fish.
Let's turn. Nice, John. It's nice.
An old Sabile.
Did you really?
Yep.
Yeah, you did. That's a strong 27, 28.
26.
26. Nice.
Fun. scoop.
This is nuts.
Where's your scooper?
It's in there somewhere. Oh, he just came off.
No.
Wow. Nice day out here. Looks like there's about 4 airboats in that pack over there. We're just outside of them, probably. Oh, close to half a mile. I got hooked up here.
I'm going first. You bad luck. No, you're not. You helped me get mine.
Bad luck to myself.
Probably nice to keep this. This is, I can't tell how big this fish is, but
Oh, it's probably in there.
no,
No?
I may not need it. I mean, he's coming up now. I need to clean that hole out.
I don't see it, Brad.
Oh my, that's a big fish.
You see its head?
Got a big body. There he goes. Oops, sorry.
Big fish, huh?
I think it's decent.
Not recording.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, is it?
There's my swivel.
No, he's turned. Hold on.
Yeah.
There's his head. It's coming.
There he goes. He ain't a giant, but
Oh, that's
It's
nice.
long.
yeah. Oh yeah, that's another nice fish.
That's your $4 lure.
That's my $4.99 puppet minnow, chrome and blue.
That's been hammered on.
Teeth marks. There we go. Man,
Good fish, Brett.
that's another, man,
Don't
27, 28.
don't watch me as I'm taking this off your clip.
Hey, would you do me a favor? All right, there we go. Another nice Lake Erie walleye. 28.5 inches. Going back. Yeah, I'm hooked. I'm gonna get ready to get bit here in a minute. There he is.
Had a white bass.
Wow. This guy here, he came up fast and now he doesn't want to come out of the hole.
Oh, you got one?
Yeah.
Need help?
I wish I had underwater footage of this. This guy is just thrashing. He does not want to see the light.
There we go.
You get him, John?
Yep.
Nice. Way to go.
I want a couple different holes over here.
You what?
I want to drill a couple different holes over here.
Okay. This is a nice keeper here. Oh my goodness, that is so much fun. I don't think so. This school here seems to be smaller fish. Have you noticed that? Man, they come up so quick, and like I said, he does not want to come up here. There he is. I don't know if you can see that bait in there. Boy, they just crush it. Another beautiful fish. I know I keep saying that, but man, it's a lot of fun. Beautiful. Sunny day. Must be close to 40 degrees. Does not get a whole lot better than this. The favors now that it would come in return.
Yeah, even with a little GoPro. And the first one's a pig too.
Can I? You're not wanted or anything, I can have you on video, right?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Witness protection program says it'd be okay.
That's tough on them 6-inch holes, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It is tough.
I bet.
We like it that way.
It's challenging?
Yeah, we forgot the 4. That's the only reason we went with the 6.
All right.
Is that his face? Yep. There you go.
Nice.
Action, Hunter. Pretty close, isn't it? Yeah. Real nice. Probably 28, isn't it? 20, well,
Yeah, you're probably 28-ish, give or take. You want to measure it?
yeah, if you got one handy.
Yeah. I'll let you do the honors. And
Just dirty business here, Don. Oh, yeah.
26 and a half? 27-ish? Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
Nice.
I don't want.
Turn around here in the sun for a second. Nice. Pretty fish. Good job.
Yeah.
That's probably about 8.5.
I'd say solid 8.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's mine. Oh, nice. I don't know. I don't think so.
Well, how about,
Oh, jeez.
because I'm more than halfway here,
Yeah.
I'll come help anyways. Let me photobomb this.
Oh, he's decent. He's not a stud, but he's decent.
There's the head. Got it?
Yep. Oh. Ouch.
Yeah. Want me to help you with that lure?
Sure.
Alright.
You're my guide.
I'm your guide. Yeah. I'm your guide.
And he's barely hooked.
Yeah, he was.
All right, another nice fish. Getting late in the day here, and I think they're going to start turning on again. That's a big fish, Phil. That's a big fish. You need to loosen your drag on the front. Just a little bit. A little more. Let him pull it for you. Yeah, you just... Holy cow, loosen that.
No, it's loose. It's
Is
loose.
it? Okay, he's taking it?
Yeah. Unless it's frozen. No, it's loose. It's really loose. Oh.
It's a big fish.
He rocketed up off the bottom.
Yeah, easy, easy. He's coming up. He's coming up. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Way to go, man.
Nice fish.
Yeah. Quick and painless.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Nice fish.
Way to go.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Nice.
Holy. He just came,
The old Sabile vibrato.
came up off the bottom. And
Yeah. That's a nice
That's a nice fish. That's
28, 27.
Yeah. 24, 26,
about
26,
27.
27.
27.
Down the hatch. Man, that's a nice 10-inch hole, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
There she goes. This could be a big fish, I don't know. He's not hooked very well. I see him. There he comes. Nice. Nice big walleye here. It's a nice 28-inch Lake Erie walleye. Big and beautiful. I'm gonna let this one go. That's about my 10th fish for the day. I think that's my 4th one over 28 inches. The latter part of the day I've been getting them on this Fire Tiger puppet minnow. That's a full 1 ounce bait. It's big. That was quick.
There's my limit.
There's your.
Look at it. Swallowed it.
Yeah, that Sebile is just nuts.